Hi folks, this is my name is Dan Dow. I'm your instructor for ARTV 2471. This is the Android programming class with it. You saw the message that I sent out earlier this morning with it. Please read some of the house rules that I'm going over with you. One of the things I want to point out is that let me go over some items here, even though I sent it out and you could read all that stuff with it, but I just want to reinforcing some of the house rule with it. Communication with emails with it. Please use your eCampus tools and send email. This will actually tag your course number and your section number, so I will know exactly what course and section number that you belong to. The second thing is that if you don't use this and you send me with a personal email, it goes into my spam box. So that's the other drawback for this as well with it. So help me out here. I have over 120 students this semester. The second one is if you have some sort of disability services letter from disability service dual credit students or anything like that, I need to know. Please email me using the number one eCampus tools. Send email, select my name and click on it, bring it over to the right hand side and complete the subject and the message in there as well. Number three, this is a programming class, it's a technical class. You will need a Windows PC operating system, not a Mac, not a tablet. It just has to be a Windows operating system with it, because the tool that you're going to be using is the Windows Android, the Android Studio IDE, and that requires a Windows operating system. You cannot use a Mac for this class, or a tablet, or a phone with it. Third is that you need to have internet access with it. Like I said, this is an online class. It behooves me to repeat this over and over, but it's an online class, that's all I can tell you. Fifth is see the link to this, all my announcements. I usually release and send out information about the contact with the information with it, but more important on this is that I want to go over the syllabi with you. So once you download the syllabi with it, let me walk up here and just to go through some of the syllabi stuff with you. I don't want to take too much time away from the course with it, but one of the things I want to talk to you about is you can drop this class before anytime up to October the 23rd. You will never see this course in your transcript. If you drop it between October the 23rd and November the 24th, which is before Thanksgiving, you will receive a W. After November the 24th to end of the semester, which is December the 8th for this course with it, I have to give you a performance grade, what you earn. All right. So I grade it as if you follow what you're supposed to be doing, then it would help a lot with it. As far as prerequisite for the course, it helps if you have some basic computer skills or some basic ITSE 1429. It helps. You have to understand file management with it. When I mean file management, not to say that you know a file goes into a folder. I mean in a much deeper way with it. How do you know what's the difference between a file and a folder with it, and creating subdirectories and subdirectories of each one of the layers with it as well. I want to cover a lot of this stuff with it, the basic stuff in this course with it, but file management in anything like this is about 80% of the rule with it as well. Anyways, I want to just let you read through this and some of the stuff we talk about with it, some of these competency with it. Please read through this. These are how you will be evaluated. There is 4 discussion board, 25 points each. Please use this particular syllabi. The syllabi I sent out this morning, I had some corrections on there, so if you use this syllabi today, that's the one that's correct with it, because I had the wrong number on here. So it's 150 points for the weekly assignments. We have 4 of those with it. There's quiz 1, quiz 2, and they add up. Now, midterms and final exam, they're counted accordingly with it. But the key thing is this: how this course works is it's an online class. Every assignment, including the exams, quiz, with it, there's a window in time for you to complete. I'm going to talk to you about that, okay? So whatever you make here, this is what you would actually transfer your grade down here as percentage and number of points. This is out of 1,000 points with it as well. So this is what I want to bring you to your attention is how do you use this course syllabi. Like I said, there is so let me talk to you about how the syllabi work with this as well. For example, if you look at the discussion board number 1, this is the release date, which is tonight. It should be up there post right now with it, and it's video based with it. So please don't type any instructions with it. Just I want you to create a video recording yourself doing the discussion board and upload it to YouTube with it. That way I get to know what you look like. This is we're online class. I really want to see what you look like. So in case you see me outside of college, that I see you and you see me and all that stuff, we can still have a picture in our face to it as well with it. It's more human side to it. But this is how where all the discussion board takes place with it. There's always a window. There's a start date, what I call is release, and there's a closing date. So in discussion number 1, you have basically 1 week to complete from the 17th to the 24th. And the next discussion board is scheduled to open on the same day, the 2nd, the 24th, and it closes on 7 days later on with it. Same thing. So there's always a window for every assignment. That's first of all. You have 1 week to complete. Like for example, class exercise number 1 is released tomorrow, and it's going to be due on the 28th at midnight. Now, all these assignments, when I say it's due on midnight of the day, it means that at 12 a.m. The link disappears. All right. I do not accept anything via email. Do you hear what I just said? Everything needs to be submitted in eCampus, so links to the grade center so I can grade it in one place. I do not accept anything through email. All right, just clarify that. So you have 1 week to complete a lot of this stuff with it. The link's going to disappear after the due date. So everything that you see here has a due date. For example, quiz 1 opens on the 10th. It closes on the 17th. So you have 1 week to complete it. And everything that you see, there's a release date, there's a close date, release date, close date, with it. So that's how it all works here. And that window of time that you can complete it with it. All right. So please follow these guidelines that I asked you to. Again, key things to take away: how you email me. Use eCampus tools. Do not send me a personal email. It's very hard that I have to ask back and forth. Most likely it gets into my spam box. I will never see it. Use eCampus tools, send emails, so like my name, right arrow key over, complete the subject, complete the message with it as well. All right, and these are opens right now with it. So discussion board is open. All the discussion are all video based, by the way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I asked you to basically create a video with it. Once I grade it, please don't make it private. Don't make it harder than it is with it. Just create and send me the link, post it into eCampus with it. I grade it, make it easy on me, and so I can actually grade it and give you a grade with it. So just don't make it private. Don't encrypt it. Please don't upload the MP4 video either. Okay. The website, the eCampus is not designed to upload with it. So it's 2 minutes of discussion boards with it. Okay. Alrighty, I'm going to stop right here. And if you have any question, you email me with it, and we can still meet online virtually as well if you need help as well. All right. That's it. Thank you.